Marshmallows are a quintessential campfire treat, but their origins are far from modern. These gooey confections have a history dating back to ancient Egypt, thousands of years before we paired them with roasting sticks and graham crackers. Let's delve into their fascinating past and evolution. Long before futuristic space food, marshmallows were among the earliest sweets known to humanity. Originally, they were a mixture made from sap, starch, and wheat. But how did this ancient recipe evolve into the fluffy candies we adore today? Let's explore the transformation in today's video. First, let's talk about the ingredients. Modern marshmallows are made from a few key components: corn syrup, cornstarch, and water. These form the base of our squishy treats. Depending on the recipe, additional ingredients like wheat flour or egg whites can be added to enhance the texture. Flavor enhancers, colors, and various tastings are added to make marshmallows look and taste amazing. The secret weapon, however, is gelatin. This ingredient gives marshmallows their characteristic bounce, similar to what makes gummy bears wiggle. Even though gelatin comes from animal bones, the marshmallow-making process remains sweet and delightful. With all the ingredients ready, it's time to mix them up. While mixing might sound straightforward, precision is key. Any mistake can result in marshmallows turning out less than perfect. Factories meticulously control temperature, speed, and moisture to ensure everything is just right. The mixing process happens in two parts. First, corn syrup, cornstarch, and any wheat flour or egg whites are stirred together until they form a thick paste. A specific amount of water is then added, and the mixture is heated to 240 degrees. This cooks the ingredients, transforming them into a smooth, uniform marshmallow batter. Perfection is crucial in the marshmallow world, so even the tiniest lumps must be avoided. To catch any sneaky lumps, the mixture is pushed through a superfine sieve, ensuring a smooth base for the next step: whipping. Now it's time to add the fun stuff: flavors, colors, and gelatin. These are incorporated after the mixture becomes a smooth paste. Whipping is where the magic really happens. Just like making whipped cream, the mixture is vigorously mixed, injecting a lot of air. This air is a crucial ingredient, making marshmallows light and fluffy, similar to meringue, angel food cake, and even scrambled eggs. During the whipping process, the gelatin activates, binding everything together and trapping the air, creating the foundation for the fluffy marshmallow texture. The mixture becomes fluffier and increases in volume, ready for the next stage. Before the 1950s, making marshmallows was labor-intensive. Each one needed time to form a skin and was more chewy than fluffy. The invention of the extruding machine revolutionized the process, allowing for the creation of lighter and airier marshmallows by pumping in more air. Once the mixture is whipped and slightly cooled, it's loaded onto a conveyor belt for the next steps. A series of shapers transform it into a long, flat sheet, a giant marshmallow slab. This slab is then cooled further and shaped into long marshmallow tubes, which can be twisted or combined to create fun shapes and flavors. The tubes are then extruded and sliced into the familiar cylindrical shapes we know. To prevent them from sticking together, they are dusted with a sugar cornstarch mixture, giving them a smooth, candy-like texture. The final step in the cooking process is cooling the marshmallows completely. After shaping, the marshmallow pillows fall into a giant drum that spins them to room temperature. This also ensures any extra sugar cornstarch dust is evenly distributed. Making marshmallows might seem simple, but even minor changes in ingredients or mixing can lead to disaster. Factories conduct a series of tests on each batch to ensure quality. One such test is the snap test, where a marshmallow is cut in half and checked for bounce back to confirm the perfect texture. Factory-made marshmallows are designed to last longer than homemade ones, thanks to a clean environment, added preservatives, and sealed packaging. Here's how they're packaged. High-quality airtight bags are prepped, filled with a specific amount of marshmallows, and then injected with nitrogen gas to push out any oxygen that could spoil them. The bags are then sealed, labeled with a best before date, and a unique code. Finally, the packaged marshmallows are gathered, packed into cardboard boxes, and shipped to stores, ready to be transformed into gooey s'mores or enjoyed on their own. 6:45. Marshmallows, from their basic ingredients to the sweet treats we love, combine old-fashioned fun with modern technology. Next time you enjoy a marshmallow, remember its rich and surprising history. If you enjoyed learning about this process, stay tuned for more fascinating videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.